I'm gonna show you how to get the quartile through SPSS. So our data was the final scores, and we'll highlight the final scores and copy it. Then make a new Excel file, which is I already had then copied it and already saved it. After saving the file, go to the SPSS and then import that file. And the file was BCKKFL. Then put no to include the the score 10. After that, we analyze the dataset into the descriptive statistics in frequencies, and on the statistics tab we check the quartiles, then continue, then add the dataset to our variables, then okay. As you can see now, the values have been shown. Percentile, which is 25th, which has the lower quartile. Lower quartile has the value of 27.75. The scores of the sets. Now the 50th percentile, which is the same as the half of the data, are scored 40.50 or lower, and then the 75th or upper half of the data set has scored 46.75 and higher. And that's all.